What's up guys, Emmanuel here. Today I am going to unbox my brand new Sonic WH-1000X M3. This is one of the Sony latest headphone on the market right now. This is like the number one headphone everyone's talking about. This headphone is like crazy. It got so much good technology in it, man. I can't wait to see what in this box. So we're gonna unbox this headphone together. All right. So let's see on the back of the box what we have here, guys. All right. It said got a hand-free call, 10-minute charge, and 5 hours playtime, and we got music playback time max 30 hour. That's a lot. And they got a voice assistant like Alexa, Google Voice, Siri, and all that good stuff. And headphone cable including, and also the plug adapter for in-flight. For those of you who travel a lot, business traveler, people who travel, it don't matter. So you can use that in-flight. And this is my favorite thing right there, the Type-C charging system. I love the Type-C charging system. It makes it so easy for you. And what we got here, the carry case. So what in the box? Let's try to open it, guys. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? All right, so let me grab my utility knife. This is my utility knife here. It's very sharp, and we're gonna try to get the bag open. All right, pretty easy, and rip it apart, guys. Just take it out, take it out, take it out. Woohoo! Man, this thing's got a really good review everywhere online. So, guys, this is it right here. Box looking beautiful, right? So let's see what in the box. All right. All right. So there we go. Okay. So this is what we got here, guys. And as you can see, what is this? This is just an extra easy setup configuration, whatever. All right. There's some little quick setup for you. All right, so this is the headphone in the carry case. I love the case. Look at that, fancy looking, guys. I like the little zipper thing right there. Look, is that like a rose gold or something? Maybe you could take it out and sell it. Might be something very fancy. All right, so they got an extra pocket on the carry case right there, which is cool, right? So let's see what we got in the case. This is the bad boy right here, guys. All right. This is the headphone right here. This is the headphone everyone's going crazy about. So let's take it out and see what we got in it. All right. This is it. Baby boy. Look at you. Nice looking, guys. I like the fact that they have like the Sony thing in the rose gold right there, like rose gold, man. This is like fancy looking, you know. Rose gold, rose gold. And over here you can see the Type-C charging system right there. That's making it really, really easy. And the moment I touch this thing, man, it feels like really, really, really fancy thing. A high quality touch, soft touch. The ear cups right there is very soft and lightweight. You can put this thing on your ear all day long, guys. All right. And one of the things I like about it is that it has some technology on it, like how you call that, the noise cancellation system. Like if you have the headphone on your ear and you're talking, someone want to talk to you, all you got to do is press the right side of the headphone and leave your hand on top of it. It's gonna pause your music and cancel the noise, and so you could be able to listen to whoever talking to you. Once you're done talking to them, you release it, and your music gonna resume right away, guys. So I can't wait to see what exactly this headphone gonna sound like, because according to some of the review, this is one of the best headphones out there on the market right now. All right, even the Bose and Beat doesn't beat this headphone, because so much stuff they got in there. All right, and it sounds good though. It sounds good. I know many of you guys used to the how you call the Beat headphone and stuff like that, but based on the reviews, man, this headphone, like, it sounds pretty good. People say it sounds really good. Even when I went down to Best Buy, they have like one on the display, and I try it. It sounds really, really, really good. So I'm very excited to have this, in my house and when I'm doing some stuff. So what we got in the box? So let's put the headphone to the side. We're gonna lay it out right here for now, okay? And what we have in the case? There's anything extra in the case, guys? All right, this is the connector cable, just in case your battery is dead and you still want to listen to music. You can connect it to your phone and to the headphone. So I'm pretty sure this is how it's gonna go. This part right here go right into the headphone, and this other part, like you see twisting right there, is gonna go into your phone, brother. Okay, so just in case your headphone battery is dead and you want to keep listening to music. All right, so the in-flight adapter they're talking about, for those of you who travel a lot, who use, let's say we'll travel a lot, so this right here, you can use the in-flight. I don't know how's that going to work out, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to hold tight to this. And one day when I book a plane and I'm going to, oh yeah, I got one of these things. So there we go. Make sure that I carry it on me when I'm going on the plane, so that I could have my headphone and enjoy my flight. So what else do we got here? What's it we got here? All right, this is the charging system. You see the Type-C? That's one of my favorite things right there. This Type-C make it really easy. I got a Samsung Type-C, so in that case, I don't even need this right here. I'm going to use my Samsung Type-C charger to charge my headphone. That's pretty good. I like that. And I like the fact they have all the extra pocket for all your accessory to just line already. This is like, it's not going anywhere. All right. So you put your headphone right there. You see, they actually got the label pretty good for you. The left over here and the right on the other side. That's how you're going to fold your headphone and put it in your case. And you got all your accessory right there. That's pretty interesting. So what we got in the box here, guys? Let's take a look. Nothing fancy in the box. It's just extra paperwork just to show you how to connect your headphones. So if you want to stick around, I'm going to shoot another video. Now, if you want to stick around, just make sure you check some of my video out there. I'm going to show you how to connect your headphone, because they have a mobile apps for this particular headphone that you have to download and connect your headphone in order to be able to use the noise cancellation system, and also be able to use your Alexa and the Google Assistant. So you have to download the mobile app. So I'm going to shoot a separate video because I don't want this video to be super long, right? So because of that, this just going to be the introduction and unboxing introduction at the same time, but a separate video is going to come up. Make sure you subscribe, like and subscribe, so you don't have to miss that video, how you to connect the headphone to the mobile apps and how you can use your Alexa and Google system. Okay, guys, so once again, it's Emmanuel here. It's honest review about my Sony WH-1000X-M3. All right, so that's the headphone right there. And like I said, I'm gonna shoot a separate video, so I'm not gonna like power on or whatever, but this is the power button right there, and you got all the different feature right there, and it have like a, how you call the touch, not touch screen, like right on the headphone there. That's how you skip your music and increase your volume and all that. So it's not like other headphone that have all the turn the button all over the place. This is like kind of like a touch screen, not a touch screen, but whatever you call them. That's how you use it to skip your music. Let's see over here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, if you look on the box right there, you're going to see this is how it works. All right, you can increase your music up and down, skip your music, whatever. So that's the way it looks. So if you like the video, man, this is Emmanuel. I'm out of here. This is my brand new headphone, and hey man, I strongly recommend these things. It feel good, it feel fancy, it feel high quality, and I think it will be one of the best thing you ever put your money in. All right, man, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, man, and stay safe.